Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your online class. Today, we will discuss your exercise 1D from your page number 24. Okay, student? I hope all of you understood the concept or the process how to do your exercise 1D. Before going to start this topic, I would like to remind your properties whatever we have learned in your last class. So, student, your first properties is closure properties. Okay, then what is that closure properties? Integers are closed under addition, subtraction, and multiplication, but not under division. And I have already told you by given an example also. Yes or no? Yes. Then your second properties, commutative properties. What is that commutative properties? If A A plus B is equal to B plus A, then that will satisfy your commutative properties. What is commutative properties? Suppose if you have two integers, that is A and B, and whenever you will change the order, then also the answer will remain same. That is your commutative properties. Here commutative properties satisfying your commutative properties of addition and commutative properties of multiplication, but subtraction and division will not satisfy in your commutative properties. Okay, clear? Then properties number 3, additive properties. Additive properties is what? Additive properties of 0, I mean 0 is the additive identity for integers. Sorry, we were talking about identity properties. Suppose 0, this is an special properties, I mean special qualities having 0 and 1. You know, all of you about that. 0 is a special digit, it is having some different qualities, and as well as 1 also. Yes or no? So let us see. 0 is the additive identity for integers. The additive identity for integers. Okay, then now I will talk about 1. 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers. Whatever I am saying, you note it down in your copy so that it will be helpful for you later on also. Don't watch this video like entertainment video. Whatever you are watching, don't watch like this, because it is an educational video and it will change your life, remember. So 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers. Note it down. 1 is the multiplicative identity for integer. Okay, for integers. Clear? Then properties number 4 is what, student? It was associative properties. What is associative properties? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Here also your addition and multiplication will satisfy, division will not satisfy. Then distributive properties, that is A into B plus C is equal to, I will write and explain, don't worry. Associative properties. For associative I am writing only one A, okay, because this task code, it is very small one. Okay, so for associative properties, it is properties number 4. A plus B plus C is equal to what, student? If this A and B will be together inside the bracket, then after C will be come out. If the order will change like that, then also the answer will remain same. Okay, so that it will satisfy your associative properties. Now similarly say that multiplication. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay, if it is equal, then you can say integers satisfying your associative properties. Multiplication satisfying your associative properties. Here also division will not satisfy your associative properties. Clear? Then distributive properties. What is that? A into B plus C. Student, you just observe these two things. In your associative properties, all are positive or all are multiplication, but here this one is multiplication and this one is addition. So when you have different sign and this sign will multiply with this A will multiply with this B and this A again will multiply with C, then this properties is called your distributive properties. So A into B plus A into C. Clear? Similarly, subtraction also will have like this. That means instead of addition you can put that subtraction. Clear? Okay, I hope all of you understood and you have already reminded about your properties. So let's get start your exercise 1C, and I have done question number 1. So one more thing, student, listen carefully. I have started one blog for you, okay, so that you should not be confused about your answer. See, if you have any doubt, you can give the comment on my blogs, and here I have made one blogs for you. What you have to do, you have to go to the Google and search this one. What is that? https://mathsofi143.blogspot.com. Here, this is the website. Here you can get your answer. Okay, then if you have any doubt, you can give me that comment in your blogs, in that blog, so that I will get to know, and I will try to make you understand that particular topic. Okay, this is what, student, blogs. Okay, remember these blogs, where what you have to do, if you have Google Chrome in your or UC browser in your mobile phone or smartphone, you go to that Google and search this one. This is one type of website, and I have created this one for your betterment. Okay, so you go and check out that one. I have just started and I have done question number 1 and 2 for you. Here we will discuss only the one or two questions from your exercise, and all the question answer you will get in your this blog. Okay, so don't forget, check out this blog if you have any doubt. Okay, so question number 3. What is that? Question number 3 is, now see your question number 3. Find the value of bit 1 is given. Find the value of 8792 into 997 minus 792 into 997. Okay, this is your question. Okay student, so now you see which number is present in both places. That means 977, you need to see which number is present in both places. Okay, so here 977 is there and 977 is there in both places, so we can take out common from this both place. What is that? 977. Now the remaining number is 8792 minus 792. Clear? 792. So now you subtract 8792 minus 792, you will get 9997. What you have subtracted? 8792 minus 792, so that you will get 8000. Okay, and this 8000 will multiply with 9997 into 8000, then you will get 7976000. Okay, then now you see which properties we have used here. Can you tell me which properties we have used here? Distributive properties. Okay, clear? Then now see that bit number 2. Bit number 2 is what? Minus 295 into minus 66 plus minus 295 into minus 34. Okay, now you see which number is common in that both place. 295 minus 295. Here also you have to take the common as 295, then that minus 66 and plus minus 34 you have to add, then you will get the answer. I hope you understood, and rest of the question you have to do yourself. Now question number 4. What is that question number 4? Name the additive inverse of 15, 23, minus 23 and 0. Student, here I want to tell you something. Additive inverse means what? The opposite sign number of that particular number. So bit 1 is what, student? 15 opposite sign. This is positive 1, you need to write in negative form so that you will get minus 15 is your additive inverse. Okay, then additive inverse of minus 23 is what, student? Plus 23. Okay, then 0 is that, I told you it is having a special character. So 0 is the additive inverse. That 0 is itself the additive inverse. 0 is itself the additive inverse. Okay, now question number 5. Question number 5 is what? Verify and also name the property used. Which property have used? You have to name that one also. I will do few of your question. You need to do, or you have to do rest of the question yourself. Okay. First one is what? Question number 5. Wait one. Minus 445 plus 315 plus minus 445. Okay, so now you see what you need to do here. First of all, you have to solve it. That means what will happen? Minus 445 plus 315, it will come minus 130. Okay, then just a second, I have written it only LHS part, and you have to write the RHS part also. So here it is 1 minus 130. Then again you do minus 315 plus 315 plus minus 445. It's very difficult to minus with this small one. Really, I am missing my class and you all also. Okay, now take the RHS side. 315 plus minus 445. Now you subtract it so that it will come minus 130. Now both sides has equal. Now you say which properties it is? Commutative properties. This is satisfying your commutative properties. Okay, similarly you have to do up to question number 6. Now find the product using suitable properties. Simply you have to multiply it. Question number 6 is very simple one. Question number 6 is what? Find the product using suitable properties. Here no need to do anything, you just multiply it, and I hope you all know how to multiply number. Question number 6 is simply you multiply all the number. First one is minus 48 into 105. Second one is 62 into 199. Then with 3 is 115 into minus 98. Then with 4 is 325 into minus 204. Okay, now question number 7. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here question number 7 is given. Fill in the blanks. What number we should add so that it will come minus 63? In minus 63, what number we should add so that it will come minus 63? When you will add 0, then only you will get minus 63. Yes or no? Yes. Then with 2. Bit 2 is 14 plus days is equal to 0. 14, what should we add with 14 so that it will come 0? Minus 14, if you will add minus 14, then it will come 0. Okay, then 117, what you will multiply with 117 so that it will come 117? When you will multiply 1 with any number, the number will come itself. Okay, then bit 4, what should we divide with the minus 75 so that it will come 0? When you will divide a 0 with this number, then you will get 0. Then with 5, what number we should multiply with 1 so that you will get 729? If you will multiply 729, then you will get that same number. Okay, then number 9, what is that? State whether the statement is true or false. The smallest positive integer is 1. Yes, because if you will see the number 1 2 3 4 dot, dot, like that, then the smallest positive number is 1. Yes, correct. Then or true you can say. Just a second. Then bit 2, the identity element for addition in integer is 1. Additive element for addition is not 1, my dear students, that is 0. That is 0. Bit 2 is false because identity element for addition is not 1, that is 0. So second one is false. Bit 3, the additive inverse of 0 is the number itself. Yes, that is only. Then bit 4, when two negative integers are multiplied, the product is also negative. No, I have been telling you, when you will multiply the same sign, that means minus into minus, you will get plus or positive sign. So that bit 4 is false. Now bit 5, 14 minus 3 minus 8 is equal to 14 minus 3 minus 8. Is it equal? I think this is not equal, because when you will solve this one, you are getting LHS side 3 and RHS side 19. So 3 and 19 are not same. You all know it. Now question number 10. What is your question number 10? The set of integers is not closed under division. Yes, we have learnt it. Then here your question number 11, 1763 into minus 2 into a plus minus 1763 into 98. What should we do? If you will, you have to do this one, because this is, first of all you will multiply, then 8, and whenever you need subtraction you do it, then you will get the answer. Okay, so first of all you need to multiply 1763 into minus 2, so that you will get minus 3526. Question number 11, when we will multiply 1763 into minus 2, you will get minus 3526. And one more thing, when you will multiply minus 1763 into 98, then you will get 1727774. Then you will add these two, that means this is negative 1, this is also negative. When you will add, the answer will come in negative. So which answer is your correct? 176,300. Question number C. 176,300. Question number C. Okay, now 12. Question number 12. Evaluate minus 6 plus 34 divided by minus 14 plus 2. Here you need to know one more thing, student. I will tell you. What is that? Bodmer's rule. What is that? B for bracket, O for of or multiplication, D for division, M for multiplication, that O for of or order, then D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So what is that? How you will use this one? See, whenever you are solving a question and there the format is in Bodmer's rule, you first of all you have to see which one you will solve. First you have to give the first preference to bracket. You have to concentrate on bracket. When you will finish the solution, find the solution of bracket, then you go for of means order. If it is there, then you do it, otherwise you go to the next one, that is division. Okay, you do the division one, then after multiplication, then go for addition, then after subtraction. Okay, like that you do this question. -6 plus 34, this is in bracket, remember, divided by -14 plus 2. Here, if you will solve this one, so what I said, first of all you need to concentrate on bracket. So what will come? -6 plus 34, it will 28, then divided by this bracket -14 plus 2. Okay, now you see this 28 divided by -14 plus 2 is what? Next you have to go to division. Okay, now you see 14 divided by 28. 14 divided by 28 is -2, then plus 2. -2 plus 2 is 0, so answer will be here 0. Okay, then exactly you have to use this one, and you have to do these two questions. Simplify. Challenges given, bit 1 and bit 2. You have to do these two questions. If you want, then I will do one question for you. Which one I will do? Bit 2. Okay, 45 divided by 8 minus 2 of 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Okay, first of all, what you need to do? First of all, you have to concentrate on bracket. Okay, so your bracket is what? 2 of 5 plus 3. 2 of 5 plus 3. Okay, so what you have to do? First of all, you have to concentrate on your solve in your bracket part. That is -2 of means generally we are writing into 5 minus 5 plus 3, and here bracket is there. After that bracket, division is not there, then multiplication is there. Addition, after that after multiplication we can add, but here multiplication sign is there, so that we will multiply it. Then what will happen? 45 divided by 8 minus that is minus 10 plus 3, minus 10 plus 3. 45 divided by minus 8, then minus 10 plus 3. Minus 10 plus 3 is what, student? Minus 7. Okay, so after that 45 divided by 8 minus 7 is 15. Okay, now if you will divide 45 divided by 15, then you will get 3, and answer is here 3. And you must have to do your question number 13 bit 1. Okay, thank you, love you all.